The 4¼ continuous sampler is designed for continuous soil sampling with 4¼ hollow stem augers, uniquely coupled with a split sampler or solid sampler barrel. To assemble the continuous sampler, first attach the cutter head to the auger with the auger bolts. Then assemble the sampler. You can use solid or split samplers. PVC liners are optional and are compatible with both solid and split samplers. To assemble the split sampler with core catcher and liner, press a core catcher into liner. Insert liner into split barrel. Screw on split sampler drive head. Next, screw on the split sampler cutting shoe. Insert the sampler into the auger assembly. Attach the 4¼ HSA drive cap by first screwing the inner continuous sampler AWJ pin assembly to the split spoon drive head. Then attach the HSA drive cap to the auger with the auger bolts. Attach the assembly to the rotary head on the rig. Adjust the cutting shoe depth relative to the auger bit according to soil conditions. For the first interval, start advancing the auger, stopping to level the auger assembly. The bearing assembly lets the inner sampler advance without rotation, creating more accurate samples. The AWJ pin assembly has splines that engage with the splines on the sampler drive tube when the AWJ is not advancing, allowing the rotary head to break the joint to the sampler barrel. Once the HSA drive cap is removed, the inner sample barrel can be retrieved with an AWJ spring-assisted lift cap. Open the sampler with the corresponding sampler wrench and remove the sample. Then reload it with a new liner. The PVC liner can be cut with a liner cutter in order to analyze the sample. For subsequent intervals, lower reloaded sampler barrel into HSA augers. Then attach an AWJ rod. Next, raise a new auger section over the AWJ rod and secure with auger bolts to the other auger. Using the rotary head, line up the inner continuous sampler AWJ pin assembly with the AWJ rod and thread together. Lower the outer 4¼ HSA drive cap into place and secure with auger bolts and advance to next depth. For more information on the 4¼ continuous sampler, visit us at geoprobe.com or call us at 785-825-1842.